Britishers copied Indian education system. Britishers insulted Indians, saying them as illiterates, but it is true that they copied Indian education system. Though there are many schools and colleges in Britain, children of higher castes and rich people are only eligible to go to schools. Rest of them had to join their parents' work. This way, common people have no access to education. But after Protestant revolt, charity schools started. Even in those schools, they discriminated lower category people. Then Sunday school revolt took place, and even in that, prominence was given to only Bible study. After the establishment of East India Company rule in India from 18th century onwards, many changes took place in British education system. Education became accessible to everyone. In 1787, when Reverend Bell came to India as a principal, he was astonished to see how children write letters on sand and mud and how mentor teaches others. He introduced this Madras system or monitorial system in Britain. He called on all the schools to implement this system. In 1811, England National Society for Education implemented this Madras system. By the time of Bell's demise, around 10,000 schools were following the Madras system. In 1833, in Scotland, as per the Bell's guidelines, even Madras College was established. Joseph Lancaster, an educationist, also suggested same Madras system, that is monitorial system. Bell and Lancaster competed to get IP rights, intellectual property rights. But James Toole, a British educationist who served as Vice Chancellor of Buckingham University, said that they don't have right on that system as it is being copied from India. In 19th century, Indian schools were of low cost but high quality. But circumstances changed by 1850. In 1854, Thomas Babington Macaulay established his first school. It gave prominence to only English education and made servants for British government. Above all, it made education costly and inaccessible. This way, Indian education have decreased in India due to Macaulay, but British education have increased.